Hi everyone, it was great seeing you in our first class, our first virtual class of coding with robots, with the Edison robot. I want to recap what we did yesterday, go over it again, and talk about how Edison works, which you pretty much already know, and what to do if you have any problems with Edison, and also what we're doing for our first robotics challenge, which is, I'll show you what I coded into my robot and then we'll do it together. I'm turning Edison on with the switch in the back. I've already coded Edison, and let's see if it works. So forward turn, and through all three of the spoons. Good, so that's our spoon challenge. We're going to do that by going to the Edison website, and the shortcut to get exactly where we want to go is to go to edscratchapp.com. Once we get there, we're going to go up into the upper left-hand corner, you can see here, and we go to menu and then to new. When we go to new, it's going to give us a new block on the top to build our program under. Our program, as you could see, you're going to put the spoons out on the table at home, is getting through the spoon maze. You don't have to do it exactly the way I did, but you could. So you're going to build that program, and the important things we learned yesterday was that the sequence of doing things is really important with Edison. So once you've built your program, the next thing you're going to do is turn Edison back on. I would always turn Edison on and off between programming. It sort of clears Edison's memory. You're going to plug Edison in and make sure that it's plugged into the right jack on your device. Sometimes there's more than one. It's got to be the headphone outlet, and the volume has to be on full. The next thing we do is go to the upper right, and we go to where it says Program Edison. We hit that, and that's creating our program that can be sent to Edison. Once the new window comes up, next thing we have to do is hit that round button once, then go to Program Edison, and the program will go into Edison. You'll hear that weird sound, and the longer the program, the longer the sound will keep going. If the program went in correctly, you're going to hear bop bop like that. So let's listen for that. And I heard it, bop bop, and the lights are going back and forth. Okay, so that program should be in there again. You're going to run your program, and if the program came out the way you want it, you're going to save the program. So you're going to go to the upper right again where it says save, and click on save, give it a name. I'm going to say first program, and then save to computer. If you're working on a desktop computer, it will save it to the downloads, and if you're working on a Chromebook, it's going to say that it went to the download manager. That's there for you to keep now, and if you could, I would really like you to try to send me your program. So you would next go to your email and email to jaillo@pearlriverlibrary.org, and you're going to say, here's my program, and you will go to the attachment icon, which usually looks like a paperclip, and then it's going to allow you to look for the program that you just saved. So if you're on a desktop computer, you'll look in your downloads and you'll see the name of your program, or if you're on a Chromebook, you're going to look under your downloads folder, and it should come up there. If you're having trouble finding it, you can hit recent and it should come right up to the top. Okay, so that's it for our first session. I'm looking forward to seeing you guys at the next session. If you have any trouble with Edison, you usually start by turning it back on and off. Next step would be new batteries. And if you still have trouble, you can always email me at that email address. All right, I'm sure it's going to be fun, and I'm looking forward to seeing your programs and seeing you guys at our next virtual class.